I may not be a professional barber, but one thing I do know for sure. Taking care of your clippers is essential if you want a clean, precise cut every single time. That's why I've been using Wahl Clipper Oil to give my blades the love and care they truly deserve. With just 2 to 3 drops of oil applied between the blades before each haircut, you can protect them from dulling and rusting. It's a simple habit that makes a big difference. Regular oiling not only keeps the blade sharper for longer, but it also helps reduce heat and friction during use. This means smoother performance and a longer life for your clippers. What I really love about Wahl Clipper Oil is its versatility. Whether you're using different brands or types of clipper, this oil delivers consistent, reliable results every time. And the best part, you don't need to be a pro to use it. Just follow a few easy steps. First, use a small brush to clean between the blades. Then disinfect the blades to keep things sanitary. Once that's done, apply a few drops of Wahl Clipper Oil while the clipper is running and wipe off any excess with a clean cloth. Always check the clipper's menu for any specific oiling instruction just to be on the safe side. I highly recommend Wahl Clipper Oil to anyone who owns clipper. Whether you're cutting your hair at home or in the shop, it's an affordable way to maintain your equipment, extend its life, and ensure every cut is clean and smooth. Trust me, your blades and your haircut will thank you.